Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, if you are good, happy and stay healthy. Alright, now students, now we are going to study English, Unit 3. I come from Jakarta. But before we start our lesson, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, now students, now we are going to study about the difference between come versus comes, was versus were. Okay, the first one, come versus comes from. Okay, kapan kita menggunakan come, kapan kita menggunakan comes from. Okay, listen carefully. I come from Jakarta. You come from Jakarta. They come from Jakarta. They come from Jakarta. We come from Jakarta. We come from Jakarta. Atta and Jerome come from Jakarta. Atta, Jerome, and I come from Jakarta. He comes from Jakarta. He comes from Jakarta. She comes from Jakarta. She comes from Jakarta. Atta comes from Jakarta. Atta comes from Jakarta. Jerome comes from Jakarta. Jerome comes from Jakarta. Jadi gimana kesimpulannya? Ini anak-anak ya. Kalau I, you, they, we, ayu dewe istilahnya gitu. Biasanya ayu dewe enggak pakai s, tidak suka s. Nah, Atta and Jerome kenapa kok enggak pakai s? Karena Atta and Jerome ini balik ke they. Nah, come from. Nah, Atta, Jerome, and I berarti dia kembali ke we. Ingat-ingat ya anak-anak ya, kalau ada I-nya gini berarti pakai we, kita ya. Kalau nggak ada I-nya berarti dia dan dia ini pakai they. Oke. Nah, kalau he, she pakai s. He, she suka s ya. Nah, kan dia nggak suka s tadi apa? Ayu Dewi. Ayu Dewi nggak suka s. He, she suka s, pakai s semua ya. Atta pakai s, Jerome pakai s. Kenapa? Ini balik ke he. Ini juga Jerome balik kembali ke he. Oke, kayak gitu ya anak-anak ya. Oke, lanjut. Where? Di mana? Nah, where do you come from? Where do you come from? Berarti I come from Gresik. Nah, I come from Gresik. Oke. Where does Jerome Pauline come from? Where does Jerome Pauline come from? He comes from Surabaya. He comes from Surabaya. Nah, Jerome Pauline balik ke he. Ya, comes pakai s. Nah, oke. Where were they born? Where were they born? Nah, they were born in Gresik. Okay. Next, where was Sylvia Azizah born? Nah, ini pakai he apa she? Ayo. Nah, jelas pakai she. She was born in Jakarta. Nah, karena Sylvia Azizah itu dia perempuan, ya. Pakai she. She was born in Jakarta. Oke. Next, nah. Was, were. Oke, kapan pakai was, kapan pakai were. Oke, anak-anak, dilihat baik-baik ya. I was born. I was born in Surabaya. Nah, you, they, we pakai were. Nah, you were born in Surabaya. They were born in Surabaya. We were born in Surabaya. Atta and Jerome were born in Surabaya. Atta, Jerome, and I were born in Surabaya. Ya, oke. Nah, kalau he, she pakai was. He was born in Surabaya. She was born in Surabaya. Atta was born in Surabaya. Jerome was born in Surabaya. Nah, was born, were born, apa artinya? Yuk, dilahirkan ya. Aku dilahirkan di Surabaya. I was born in Surabaya. Seperti itu ya contohnya. Oke. Nah, coba kuis dulu. Oke, number 1. You blah 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 play or plays football every day. Ayo, jawabannya apa yuk? Play apa plays? Oke, the answer jawabannya adalah play. Oke, number 2. Halilintar blah 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 sing or sings a song every day. Ayo anak, yang jawab sing siapa? Yang jawab sings pakai S siapa? Oke, jawabannya adalah sings. Nah, pakai S. Kenapa kok pakai S? Soalnya Halilintar itu dia laki-laki. Dia pakai apa tadi? He kan? He suka S ya. S ini ya. Oke, next. Patton and I blah 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 listen to the music every day. Nah, listen atau listens? Oke, jawabannya listen. Kenapa kok listen? Karena Patton and I, Patton dan aku itu kembali ke we, kita. Kalau ada I-nya berarti pasti pakai kita ya anak-anak ya. Patton and I gitu, seperti itu contohnya. Oke, next. Aulia bla 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 was or were born in Surabaya. Apa? Was apa were? Oke, jawabannya was. Aulia kembali ke she. Aulia was born in Surabaya. Oke. Next. I bla 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 was or were born in Gresik. Ayo, I tadi pakai apa? Was apa were? Ayo. Oke, very good. I pakai was. I was born in Gresik. Oke. Last. Anita and Annata bla 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 was or were born in Sidoarjo. Jawabannya apa yuk? Were. Kenapa kok were? Karena Anita dan Anata kembali ke they. Mereka Anita dan Anata dilahirkan di Sidoarjo. Seperti itu ya anak-anak ya. Thank you. Keep spirit. Thank you students. I hope you can understand it well. If you do not understand, please inform me. Please contact me. Alright. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep spirit. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.